instructions and tips for installing the spine. Before you get started, the one thing you want to make note of is that are the locating tabs that are on the spine itself. There's one here, there's a hole on the side of it, same thing here. And those, the holes in those made up with the hole, or I'm sorry, with the pin in the body of the spine. You can see that one pretty well. The other one is about right here. At any rate, so what you're going to do with those is you're going to make sure that whenever you're guiding the spine through the body, that you're going to use those to line it up so that whenever you bring it up into its final location, that they will locate correctly. So the first thing to do is to take the piece of stiff copper wire that I supply you with, and you're going to run it up through the hole in the foot and at the neck. And once you've done that, then you're going to take a piece of masking tape, and you're going to take the ends of the wires with the battery contacts on them, and you're just going to wrap them around one another. So you place the contacts on here, and then take your piece of masking tape and cover the wire and the contacts, and wrap it around. You want to keep it pretty tight. And one thing you want to make sure is that you don't let the male contact slip out the end there. It kind of gets caught up inside the body. At any rate, so you make that a nice small bundle there, and you just pull the wire back through the body at the foot. Once you've done that, then you just remove the stiff wire and the tape, and now you've got the wire running through the body. Now, so you can pull the wire through to take up some of the slack. You want to take the smallest end of the spine, or the smallest fin on the spine, and you want to put it down through the middle of the body until it comes out at the other end. And once you've done that, you just simply pull the spine up into place and where those locating tabs are. That's pretty much what you need to do there. That's just to locate it. You're not going to glue it yet. Before you glue it, you want to make sure that the tail lines up and fits on smoothly. So you just slip it onto its locating tabs. There we go. So you put it onto its locating tabs. In its final resting place, the very last fin on the spine will rest on the tail. And then on the other end, you want to take the head, place it on there. There's a slot in the back of the head, and you just want to make sure that it lines up with the top spine. Once you've done that, pretty much it's in its location. So you want to try not to move it around too much once you've got it where it needs to be. And then after you've done that, everything's in place properly, then you can just use a drop of CA at either end where those locating tabs are. And then if you want to, then you could run a bead of CA down there, or epoxy, or even hot melt glue, basically to hold that in place.